Give them that.
Massacre not so bad like Alkaline, you know, because this man is so antisocial in the music and the people them talk, oh, me love him. Oh, me feel love somebody the way not help the music. That's why every time I'm gonna tell me about Alkaline, I always push him aside, you know.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I go on, you don't know Media Fox, you know. So, me say Nuffy run out people. At this Alkaline and this Alkaline show new rules. But we are gonna show you say, yo, you see them money? Them money, yo, them brother, yo, you see them people that were back in the days? Them bad mind the young youths them, you know. Me I tell her that, you know. Bad mind, you know. People want to hear that video. I be a bad mind words that come out of this man, mouth. Be a bad mind just because Alkaline no bow to them and bow to cartel and bow to the system. Them are going to say Alkaline nah do nothing for dancehall. But listen what I go on.
Jamaica can consider that means say that's why every time I'm not talking about Alkaline, I always push him aside, you know. Because them really is not about dancehall. Them is about collecting the money them and them family. That's what them care about. They don't really care about the culture.
Well,
you see, you know what you mean? Alkaline no care about dancehall. Then who will keep new rules where a book artist Nuffy, the same artist them when Sunfest book them this year when them boss, them no book them back in next year and the next year and the next year. Uno park them up, uno promote them no more. Alkaline who take them same artist they put on him show. Seeing Alkaline, a book artist at Jamaica, put food in them pocket, get employment. What you mean by not do things to dancehall? So wait, so Freedom Street, we forward where there. Wait though, not the same show, no same show. The artists that perform on Freedom Street, it really them get paid because me know Joe forward out. it's just welcome thing. Them get paid. Alkaline a book artists, I pay them. I feel the culture same way. So me don't know where you are talking about are the same fans them forward out. Seeing people from all broad, everybody. So me don't understand what you mean by about Alkaline. Nah, do nothing for dancehall, no show, nothing. You're sick in your head, brother. I tell you, you know. You can know when you sit down and chat Alkaline, you know. Yeah, man. Every time when you forward out, you can't just do an interview without calling film name. Because when you talk about Tamale and Massacre, and you have to call Alkaline name in it, just because you want to get a forward, bro. Now, you was the same one in I must say Connecticut or one of them, I must say Orlando, where do you want a picture with Alkaline and you never get it. And what happened now? Through Cartel Father Road? Nuffy. Remember, brother, say Cartel box you over La Rusa, brother. Remember that, bro. And now you come and bow down to man. You look like a sissy there, so bro, the same up. Nobody can box me and my friend them, brother. May I tell you that? Because every day you diss everybody. For Cartel, I hope Cartel keep and put money in pocket, you know. Yeah, man, I hope Cartel book you for all of the show them all the time. Because you don't know what damage control you do to yourself, bro.
Them for but there should be a balance.
Yeah.
The artists.
Listen. You know what? Hold on. Me never tell us an artist never get the pay. No, I never tell you. I'm saying this is the culture. Know the culture.
Because
don't rip and rock the culture.
The audience for Sting is people who, you know, are safe.
Uno fans are saying bad.
Yes.
Uno fans are saying bad. Uno fans are saying bad. Come and Sting and show some bad.
The crack fans them something. Yeah. What them will remember.
Yo, who will on stop with the nice? Because Naro and Ari will not make no sense. Remember, see a Cartel sponsor on upon the show, you know. You understand? Straight Vibe sponsor on, brother. Una Gaza people. See, you know, una chat selfish, dog. Because at the end of the day, you after a Sting bill Alkaline. And a still bill Alkaline, brother. So when you go talk about forward and do show a Sting. So wait there. When Vice Cartel get booked for Sting, and him want $1 million. Right? And speaks, I think Len give must be 500,000, him never get the next 500. Since you talk about do for culture and artists, now say artists do free and artists get paid. But why Cartel never do the show? Cartel not go keep him own party or keep own show in some club. Why Cartel could do it for the culture then? When Len asks him and say, yo, And him say him want 1 million and Leng give him half and Leng never give him the other half. Why him never do it for the culture? Bro, na hypocrite in a dancehall, that me notice all no. Hypocrite. You see when it no go fool nowhere, or no man na follow what uno say, uno try to bring down youth. That are the thing with uno brother, uno want artists. This is how we kill the music. Because uno want artists to do be a free show. And I do this and I know say brother, the artists them have value. Uno want the artists them go up on stage, go fight and do this and go that. You see where it a go, brother? You see it? You see where the thing I go right now? You want artists to go up on stage for free? For clash with culture, brother? The artists them will do it. Sincere, the artists them will go up and sting go clash for free. Right? Where them career they now? Where them career they? You think in a 2025 you feel like the things that go on in the 90s are going to happen now? Things and time change, brother. Some of you know you bring back this old thing, bro. You not go work, fam. You understand? Sting is not a structure show like how you have Sunfest and them thing there, brother. The thing the structure, you dip on stage, you man a war, and I do clash. When you look at next man walk on. Bro, Sting not ready yet. I don't want artists to go up there, go risk them life. And look on the last thing what happened to Sting. Man walk up and get mic button and for the mole line for it, bust up. Because him walk on stage and I try enter clash with 2 man there. Bro, if you move from your dog and stop Badmine the young youths them, bro. Through Alkaline I keep new rules. You feel like say, yo, Alkaline, finna focus on him show and do other show. Alkaline do new rules and then him end up go do Sunfest in the same year after. How much time Alkaline do Sunfest? Some don't know what you talk about, bro. You think dancehall is all about giving strength and doing free shows? Dancehall a business to brother. Business. Nuffy, make one promoter call for 5 show and don't pay you. Yeah man, go do it 5 show them free. That more you do. Think you say do it for the culture. Forward to Jamaica and do show for every little show where I go on, do it for free, make us see. Bro, if you move from your brother.
A lifetime.
Not everybody can afford.
Give the crack for themselves. You see when Massacre go up on stage and destroy Tommy.
Yeah.
Give them that.
Massacre not so bad like Alkaline, you know, because this man so anti-social and music and the people.
People, I want to listen how that youth are Badmine, you know. I want to listen how Nuffy Badmine. You know regularly like how people that bring down artists like this artist. But you see when Nuffy talk, a strictly Badmine. Here what am I going to say about Alkaline, you know. Here what I go on.
Like Alkaline, you know, because this man so anti-social and music and the people them talk, oh, me love him. Oh, if you love somebody when I help the music, that's only wine and my music and they want to tell them about me anti-social and I said, that's the boss and move on the blood.
Yo, you see what me I try to talk about? This man, Alkaline, be himself. Just stick to himself and through the people, through vendetta people, or whosoever people will like him and rate him. This man in him feelings. This man in him feelings. Badmine. Nuffy youth. You see you? You see the way how you bring down a youth? Remember say you have youth too. But I always tell people that. You see the way how you bring down youths? Remember say you have youth too. Because a youth a do him thing and you Badmine the youth through people rate Alkaline. See, just to be himself, you know. Through the youth no mingle with Uno. Uno go try to bring down a youth by being himself. And I say no do nothing for dancehall. Alkaline no do nothing for dancehall. But you there, you for a youth, we're so young in him 30s, right? Alkaline I keep him sure for him about maybe like 20 odd young, 20 odd. Zine, I keep him sure and I employ bigger artists who him come see in the game. I obtain them, shaggy them, the whole of them. And you say the youth not do nothing for dancehall? The youth are big. The same artist in Alkaline growing up, come see. Him end up turn big artists. I headline him own show and I book them artists here. And you are going to say, Alkaline, nah do nothing for dancehall. Youth no Badmine dog. Sometimes I wonder if you and Vice Cartel him sit down and chat the youth, you know. The way you, especially you, forward out. Because I know you kiss Cartel ass, you know, bro. And that you try to do, you know. Because you sell out, you know. Because there's no way a man could have boxed me and me there on him and they on internet. I try this a youth because I'm a man, brother. You understand? Remember saying no man the last survivor, bro. You see, because same youth where you had this. Zine can end up can save your career and you don't even know that. That's all me have to tell you, brother.
Yeah, you know you can and cuss it on the
Blood clot and tell me about dancehall. No, love dancehall. We love dancehall. Money.
Now I can get to you.
Yeah.
And we can get to them.
Yeah. I agree.
Because if
with
you call them to do a show, it's like have your throat and eyes.
Yeah, I agree.
Boy, I'm moving up, blood.
Devil's advocate, you know.
I agree.
Somebody like an Alkaline, I say, yo, you deal with him bad, so that's why I'm checking.
I don't know, no.
Uno
Really
deal with him bad. That's what enough fans them say. Uno do so ostracize him and...
Look how much artists get deal with bad in a dance. If you deal with dancehall, deal with dancehall. Me know why you bring a personal thing in a dancehall. Who give a shit, boy?
Yo, you see how them talk? So the man I say, look how no deal with Alkaline. Him a go bring up some old time artists, Bounty Killer and them man they get beaten in a dance. Brother, them the artists ain't get no beaten in a dancehall, bro. The way your Alkaline do it. See him like, oh, you up there bring down Alkaline. You did bring down Bounty Killer and them man there? You did that this Bounty Killer and them man there? Eh? Them artists did I get this. Like how now deal with Alkaline now? Every time when I go up on a platform when I bring down the youth. Eh? I that more know fam. Bro, you can diss a man, but stop Badmine a youth, bro. Stop Badmine the youth. You understand? The youth are do good for dancehall. You understand? Good the youth are do. Him a do it for people too. The youth are donate and a give him charity them and every little thing. And you a go forward. I said the youth not do nothing for dancehall. Eh? How much dancehall artists we are keep them show all over the world right now. We are represent dancehall. When news I keep a Canada, UK and all of them something there. I wait a do. The dancehall. Eh? The fans them are forward out. The dancehall sang them forward out for you when Alkaline book other artists pan show them. Bro, how you stay so Nuffy? Dog, remember say the words where you say end up come haunt you in the future, dog. Remember that.
So how you reach tonight and can use me until you reach where you want to reach?
Point taken.
Eh? So you know why we use you back? Who want to use you back and you come use me?
Quid pro.
When mean by him come use who? What Alkaline use? Alright. Me don't know if I sting attack, but Alkaline never go up and sting, bro. What you mean by use you? Brother, so you tell me so wait, you make it sound like the Alkaline did they at Jamaica, I do couple shows, and then you don't know him get the fan support and then him go again to some Paris or whatever and come back. Brother, no new rules we can't go in July Alkaline keep a Trelawney. The new rules where them a keep. The Jamaica them keep. Eh? Some of the new rules they no keep a Jamaica where come support and put food in a people pocket, the vendor them, everybody. The artists them where they on the platform. Cause since you are talking, you know. So when new rules keep and you know nobody talk about a high price a ticket. But when cartel come out, for sure you know cartel forward out, right? Remember some majority of the artists them forward on the show now getting up, you know, them just a show cartel respect, you know. See? But the ticket them so high, till the ticket them have to go up on 50%. When you check it, all the ticket them have to give out back free because them couldn't sell. You understand? When you put the ticket so high, 20,000 when you work it out. You understand? More than minimum wage where the people them get for the week, brother. And then you are gonna talk about new rules or whatever show Alkaline have it now, do nothing for dancehall. You're sick in the head, brother.
Cool.
You don't get up and keep on own show and things that can't help dancehall. That can't. Never. All I artists when you sit about them, yeah, artists keep their birthday party. But when they talk about not growing and not keeping what it done for dancehall, nothing.
I mean, you can keep your show.
Yo, you saw that brother, your bad mind? Nuffy, dog. Stop it, brother. Stop it, fam. Me I tell you from now. Cause, bro, you are gonna say the show where Alkaline a keep it nah do nothing for dancehall. See? It's like people, the man a try say Alkaline no for keep him on show, you know. And that him a try say, you know. So wait there. So when Cartel keep Freedom Street, no dancehall, it a do something for too. So wait, Cartel show a do it for dancehall, but Alkaline show not do it for dancehall. Alkaline show not do it for dancehall, but Cartel show Freedom Street a do it for dancehall. This are the thing, you know, Cartel lock up for 13 years, right? Him could perform, him could don't nowhere. Zine, Alkaline with there with them new rules I keep all over the world. Zine, and a book artist, the same dancehall artist, you know. All some oldies like Wayne Wonder and them man there, you know. Zine, I represent dancehall over the world. No Jamaica alone. But this man, I go say, new rules. Nah, do nothing for dancehall. See? But cartel thing I do for dancehall. Me not understand. Bro, why so bad mind, dog? Me can't even believe say this man fouled out and I make them statement, yeah, brother. Bro, Badmine now go carry no gun nowhere fam. Nowhere. Every time you call Alkaline name in your mouth. See, nothing no wrong, you know. If you're diss him or what. But when you talk something, bro, don't say them thing the way you know it not true, fam. Cause you can't see a show where you keep in a Jamaica, a book artists, I make jerk man, I make money, vendor make money, people are forward out to buy ticket, come listen to music. Zine, Alkaline a book artists. Pan him show, I put artists in an artist pocket so them can provide for them family, so them can have money to go to the next show, so them can have money to do a next music video, next studio time, next mixer. And you are going to say, the youth show now do nothing for dancehall, brother. How much artists in a dancehall right now will have a show where a book artists in a dancehall right now? Tell me. Tell me how much artists. How much artists in a dancehall will have them own show? A book artists in it. Alkaline keep news with you. And in book Silk Bass, Armani, My Youth, Tifa, Munga, and some other rest of people. So how you going to say it now do for dancehall, bro? And them artists who want to say so-called fall off. Bro, stop Badmine, fam.
And yeah,
Aris, if your birthday party is okay, you can keep it show, not a problem.
Yeah.
But I'm saying,
work with Sting.
Well,
Do certain things for the culture.
Do Sting, brother, when people call, you know, show where help build a momentum act. You tell me a show where them keep where help artists.
Yeah.
Where do something for dancehall.
Yeah. Sting.
When me give him a little credit for first me ever see him massacre.
Okay.
First me ever see him come out and call people name. First me ever see him calm and a clash. First me ever see him interesting.
On a big stage.
And with a big man.
With a big artist, yes.
A big artist.
In his prime.
No, joke artist.
because he did go up on the mark.
And come to him talk to now. This is not Alkaline. Where man him can't just look at subliminal. No, that
Nuffy, you are called Alkaline punk. I'm not Alkaline at the punk, dog. You are the punk. Cause Cartel box you up. And you're there on stage with the same man will box you up. See? Box you up, boy, your general let it out. You should have shame on yourself and you a punk, bro. You a punk. Cause nobody, no artist, and nobody not take no box on no man. And they run them like a little sissy bo artist. Yo, what this a man? See the Cartel make me in a Airbnb. This same man will box you. Are you a punk, dog? Yo, dog, Nuffy, are you a punk, brother? Are you a punk, dog? Cause there's no way you are gonna call a next man punk after an Alkaline get the box. Are you get the box, brother? Yo, may I tell you, dog, may I tell you, Alkaline can't make them brother asleep. May I tell you, can't make them brother asleep, people. Like, him and them just not have nothing, no reason for Badmine the youth, you know. No reason, dog. But, brother, we no start cry yet. Cause remember, them always say, no, the stone where the builder refuse always become the head cornerstone. Remember that.
Brawling Badman artist. This is no artist with no Badman DJ in argument.
So no artist.
And some say, wait. But it's the truth. It's an artist away man talk about. Real Badman.
Really, right. That's what I said. Okay.
And the songs them is not.
So what you try to say? You try to tell the people them say, me did think of music we talk about, like Clash and them something, the lyrical. This man I say about artists are this real bad man. Bro, a badness on a deal with, you know, bro. Me did think say music. Me did think say music, bro. See? So basically, he must say, yo, when Alkaline and Massacre show some shades or whatsoever, now Massacre I go against Tamili, which basically must say Tamili is a bad man in a real life. Bad man. See? Bad man in a real life. The same Tamili where when Cartel send the man them for collect him money, him a ball like a baby. The same man where they on platform a big police say, yo, please me I beg you, yo, no just low me, Riri. Bro, Nuffy, stop your nice, dog. Stop your nice, brother. You understand? Stop your nice. Cause you would even bad man. Cause if Cartel, cause if you're that bad man, Cartel could box you and still, I not book you. The man box you and book your dog. See? So you never forward on a platform and run off your mouth, dog.
I love them.
Listen, the war are going
Oh,
good.
you mean every war are going good? Listen, you see the people where you see a comment and chat, they don't know nothing about war. They never even go turn up and watch an artist a clash. When me that give him a little credit for first me ever see him.
People,
I would
I tell you, you know.
consider.
You see what me I try to tell you people? Them man, yeah.
Me say,
I tell you, them man, yeah, them different. You see it? I tell you, Alkaline just expose a lot of people like Badmine, and just because Alkaline do him own a thing and him never bow to them and never work with for them system, it create a problem. Run up them pressure. Them can't sleep. I tell you people, I tell you. You see in a life, that's why I'm telling you, do your own thing, put in the work. You understand? Put in the work, not depend upon nobody. You're a soldier. Remember that. You see, cause look at you see when you go, you see when you look strength from people and them something there, them same people that will bring you down. Remember me, imagine Alkaline look strength from them fool ya. Seeing? Alkaline look strength from them and them are deal with youth. So imagine if the youth that look strength from them or get strength from them. May I tell you, Nuffy, big time snake, him. A snake is a big time sellout. Remember me tell you, man. You see, but people, when I don't know, you know, I want media facts and I'm a to talk the facts. Cause you see them youth, yeah? Them now want youths make it in a dancehall. Them. If a them alone, remember him fouled out in you know, people and say, dancehall lead their prisoner, which is cartel, you know. So the artists them out here put in the work and a travel and a keep dancehall going. No, them now do dancehall. Cartel come out a him dancehall lock up in a prison. A him same one say, cartel a be last king. Them brother ya hold down. All them do are just mash up the dancehall space. The cartel come out. What happen? Him show them done. Nothing else. What else is there? No bag of hit song, nothing na go on. Album drop, nothing no go on for the album them. But every day you know depend Alkaline name. When you say Alkaline at this and him that and Ray, but you know still call him name every day. Show you say Alkaline is the man. You understand? The more the bad mind the youth, and more the youth get stronger. You see, but people want to big up on yourself and stay safe out there, you know, don't know, you know. Yeah, man, I want media facts, man. That is it.